Welcome to AutoResolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix Fortnite Simpsons update crashing issue on PC.
Fix 1. Verify game files. Step 1. Open Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Go to your library. Step 3. Click the three dots next to Fortnite. Step 4. Select Manage, Verify. Step 5. Wait for the process to finish. This will repair any missing or corrupted files. Fix 2. Clear Direct Shader. Cache. Step 1. Press Windows. I open System Storage, Temporary Files. Step 2. Check DirectX Shader Cache and click Remove Files. Step 3. Restart your PC and try launching Fortnite again. Fix 3. Disable background apps. Step 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC to open Task Manager. Step 2. End unnecessary background processes like Discord, Chrome, OBS, etc. Step 3. Go to Startup Apps, disable heavy apps from auto-starting. Fix 4. Run Fortnite as administrator. Step 1. Right-click your Fortnite shortcut or .exe file. Step 2. Choose Properties, Compatibility. Step 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. Then click Apply and OK.